Hello, this is how to put bearings in properly. First thing you do is take your wheel off, which is pretty obvious. Now you gotta take bearings out of your wheel, and if they're rubbish then you could just do this. If you don't want them then you're gonna throw them away. Put the Allen key inside so it's resting on the bearing, and hit the Allen key with a hammer a few times so it should pop out. Right, I'll do that now. Now you've got your old rubbish bearings out, you can throw them away if you want. And now I'll show you how to put bearings in properly. You're going to want your wheel, long bolt, the nut for the bolt, washers for the bolt, your new bearings and the spacer. Now I'll show you. Alright, you get you put the washer through, you put a bearing on it like that, and you rest it like that. Now you put your spacer in, your wheel spacer, and your bearing, then the washer, another washer, and then you screw the nut on. Now what you're going to do, you're going to want to tighten this so it squeezes the bearings in, so it squeezes both the bearings together into the middle, and it won't damage your wheel or the bearings. Now I'll do that. Now you can see it's in there and the bearings aren't damaged at all, or the wheel. Now your bearings should be on your scooter. There you can see, and they should spin. Good.